This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research talking about world-class benchmarking for the company SM Prime Holdings in the Philippines. And this was a fan request. All right, let's take a look. Philippine real estate company. This is SM Prime is a Philippine real estate company that develops, operates, and maintains modern commercial shopping centers. It has 4 business segments: malls, residential, commercial, and hotel and convention centers. Now, let's take a look at the world-class benchmarking. First, we can see profitable growth has been in the top 3 since 2012. So, looks like a very good performance, and that's compared to 180 large real estate companies worldwide. Now, profitability is the main strength. We can see that profitability has been a 2 or 3 over the last 5 years. But growth has been more volatile. We can see growth going up and down between a good growth number of 2 and 8. Recently an 8, which is a very poor ranking relative to its global peers. Sales growth. So let's look at the underneath this, and we can see that asset utilization is poor. So this company is making its success through a very, very strong profit margin. In fact, this is an interesting company because every other area is somewhat weak when benchmarked against 180 large real estate companies worldwide. Now that's an interesting situation because that could provide them with an opportunity. If they could tick up their asset utilization, if they could tick up their sales growth, this company could move itself into the profitable growth number 1 ranking. And as I've shown in prior research, if you can move your company up by 1 rank, or if a company is ranked in the top rankings, it tends to mean outperformance in the share price. Now what we can see here is that sales growth has been a bit weak, but what's happening is margin change is painful right now at a 10, meaning its margins falling faster than almost all of its global peers. And considering that the margin was at a 1 and now is down to a 2 for the profit margin, we can see that deterioration happening right there. So that gives you a little bit background on the company. Generally, very good performance, and there's opportunity to improve. However, that margin change could be a risk. All right, so you want to see a company in your own portfolio? Well, just let me know in a comment below and I will do it.